We have another episode of Mail Time today. Got 4 boxes here, all of them being shoes, I think, except for this bottom box. This is some crazy hype stuff though. The homie Kuma is somewhere. I think he just ran away. Today's for today's Mail Time, we do have Kuma in the house. Kuma, say hi. Kuma, say hi. Kuma, are you excited to open shoes? Do you want to open shoes with me? Okay, good boy. So we're gonna open shoes up anyway. Stay tuned, Mail Time is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, and Kuma coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a Mail Time unboxing. You go sit over here. I do want to mention before we get into the Mail Time unboxing though, that if you guys haven't heard about it yet, we are doing a giveaway with Seth Fowler for a free pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. Sneaker of the year 2019 Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. You know that shoe that's over $1,000? Yeah, we're giving one away for free. Anyway, all of the rules to enter that contest are in the description below. You will need to go to this video right here and comment done after you subscribe to Seth's channel and to my channel, and also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. So go to that video. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing, man. We got some interesting stuff in here. This first one is actually from Net Magnetism. So Net Magnetism is a shop in Canada, and they specialize in like sneaker raffles. It's basically like you put in $11 or something for a raffle and you have a chance to win a very, very high shoe, which it kind of sounds sketchy, but they're a very legit company. So anyway, this is what I got from them. I didn't win the big prize, but I got a sneaker mystery box. So we'll see what we got from here. And it's actually a Jordan 1 box, which is super sick. Okay. This one is a size 10.5. Oh, okay, cool. So for a free mystery pair, this isn't bad. We got a pair of the Jordan 1 Couture. You guys can see it over here. This is the collaboration with Vogue. Very interesting sneaker. I personally didn't want a pair of these just because I don't think they're very nice, and also when you crease the toe box over here, it creases really ugly. Like, I don't know what it is with this material, but it's just not good material. Anyway, this is, I guess, a runner-up prize for Net Mag, so that's pretty dope. I like this. Basically what I've seen in the past for like runner-up shoes are mainly like outlet shoes, so they're gonna be like random Prestos, random Air Max, like things that typically aren't hype. So when you see something like this is actually pretty cool. Obviously not a very, very hype shoe, but it still like has decent resale, or you can keep it because, you know, it's not a bad shoe. So for 11 bucks coming up on like a $150 shoe, I think that's pretty good. Obviously I wish I hit on, I think it was Nike Air Mags or something they were doing, but that didn't happen. Anyway, if you guys want to check that out, you can. Interesting company, very cool guys. Next up, this is gonna be an interesting one because this is a sneaker that I've been waiting for a really long time. It is from Hannen Shop, and I'm kind of behind the pack of like everybody getting their pair, so you'll see what I mean when I open it up. Dude, I don't know how to open this box. It says, oh, tear here. Oh gosh, this is messy. Okay, very messy unboxing. You would think that I'm better at like unboxing shoes by now, but I'm not. Anyway, we have a Jordan 4 box here, so I'm sure you guys can guess what this is. It is a pair, this is my own personal pair finally, of the Jordan 4 Bread. So you guys have seen this shoe a lot. I'll put it on the camera real fast over here so you guys can check it out close up. But the Jordan 4 Breads, you guys have seen it a lot. It is a classic, iconic colorway. Very clean design, clean aesthetic, very, very popular. So these things actually have been holding very well for resale. I think it's like still at $250, which is good. And I think just because a lot of people are very hyped over this sneaker, like myself personally, if you guys are avid viewers of the channel and have been like an OG, you know that my collection before was made primarily like out of Jordan 4s. I definitely wanted one back in my collection when I saw the re-release. So here it is. Very stoked on this. If you guys didn't get a pair of these, I highly recommend it, dude. These are nice pairs. All right, so that's 2. Okay, so this next box is from Godap. And this one, like I was saying, I'm a big fan of Jordan 1s. I'm really interested to see how this pair looks in person though. So this one is a Jordan 1 size 10.5. We have a pair of the Jordan 1 Light Bone. So this one is the Jordan 1 SB collab. And it's called the Light Bone model. So what happens is that if you like rub away all of this paint over here, it actually like shows a different color on the sneaker. So you guys can kind of see the tinges of like that pink. So what happens as you like actually wear this shoe, you'll start to see like all of this turn to pink, which is kind of cool. And it's actually very, very cool for like people that skate. When you skate, that's why you'll see that the certain parts where you skate with, like when you kick flip, you got to use your front toe box over here. This will like turn into pink, your back heels will turn into pink and stuff. So I think it's kind of cool because it shows like if you actually skate, certain parts of the shoe will dictate that. These were originally like designed from like the Lance Mountain series, which was made a long time ago, in which those revealed like Reds or Royals, and they were originally like all white. So I really like that concept. I still got to see if I'm going to try to pick up the Laker one, because that one goes from Laker to Chicago. It's a good pair if you guys want to pick it up though. I still think this is a clean one. Leather quality and stuff is not bad. It's kind of reminiscent of like the Jordan 1 Shadows, so not a bad shoe at all. Another one for the collection. And so we have reached this last box over here, which I have like kind of like a mini rant on this because I've been waiting for this for like maybe 2 months now, which is so long. Anyway, let me open it up and then I'll tell you guys more about why I'm kind of upset with this one. So what we picked up over here is a bunch of like KAWS plushes. So it's like literally just like a KAWS plush. You guys know what KAWS is. KAWS, the artist, graffiti artist, cool designs. I have a whole bunch of like the KAWS stuff back there. But yeah, he dropped a whole bunch of stuff on this shop called DDT Store, and they are located out in Taipei. And apparently, I didn't know this when I was buying it, these were all set for pre-order, and the pre-order was like a month and a half like later than the date you bought it from. And these things aren't cheap, guys. Like one of these things is like 200 something bucks, so it's expensive. Obviously the reason why you buy it is if you're a collector, then it's cool to have, or if you're a reseller, there is resale value. Not right now, actually. Those are kind of dead because pre-orders means that they made a whole bunch. So there's basically no resale on these, which is still fine because I'm a collector of KAWS stuff, so I'm gonna be keeping these things. But yeah, a little bit peeved because they just didn't send anything and they charged me right away. So they took out like $700-800 bucks from my account and I had like no product. So I was pretty upset, and you guys can figure out why, man. Like if you don't get your item right away, you get kind of like frustrated with it and stuff. But I do think they are pretty cool. Like plushes are a lot different than like the vinyls and stuff. Here's a vinyl over here. So the plush is obviously a lot different, but pretty cool stuff. Maybe I'll give it to Kuma. Kuma, do you want this? Do you want this chew toy? No? You want the KAWS? Yeah, maybe they'll use it as a pillow or something. Extremely expensive Hypebeast pillow. I'm just kidding. They're not gonna do that unless they steal it away, in which case it's free for them. That's it for this video, guys. That's it for this mail time. A lot of cool, interesting stuff in here. But again, if you guys haven't already, be sure to go enter that Travis Scott giveaway. That is running until June 1st, so you guys still have some time left. Don't forget to follow all the directions and go to the video to comment done, because that's how we'll be picking the winner. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot!